that really high wheelie there, that tells you right now, Clint moves some weight back. Because that tractor normally does not do that. He moved that weight back to try to get it hooked up sooner to the track. Because in truck and tractor pulling, it's all about momentum. You want to be going as fast as you can, as early as you can in the pass. And when it hooked up, Ron, the wheels went to the sky, and that he loses that hitch height advantage, and that causes him distance.
Yeah, sure does. Yeah, the hitch height is extremely important. Perfect balance is extremely important. So they want to pull the front wheels up about a couple feet off the ground. They want to lose the hitch height.